sand was shimmering in the morning light, and dancing off the tunes so far away. The night held music so sweet, so long. There we lay until the break of day. That morning at the onward call, a camel's brightened up our hours fall. The sun was rising in the eastern sky, just as we set out to the desert's cry. The Thames grew smaller as we rode away.